Are you looking for the best electric wheelchairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric wheelchairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Majestic BUVAN Electric Wheelchair Model. Majestic BUVAN electric chair comes in an all-innovative design that includes safety features and an easy folding design. As expected, this unit comes with an ergonomic joystick, stable footrest, and large rear wheels. We also love the sturdy conduction, making it reliable to keep you safe even in demanding situations. Unlike other models on the market, this unit also comes with a lightweight design. This makes it easy to bring along to the place of your choice. It is also foldable, making it easy to transport and store. Another notable feature is the front wheel shock absorber, which boosts your overall comfort. Moreover, the chair is well padded and adjustable to suit your needs. At number 4. Wyyggnb Electric Wheelchair for Adults. Whether you are on pavement, grass, or carpet, the Wyyggnb electric wheelchair ensures smooth navigation. The model comes with a large wheel with shock absorbers to ensure a smooth ride regardless of the terrain. We also love the 360-degree joystick speed controller that is conveniently placed to ensure simple operation. As expected, this unit comes with extra padding to ensure your comfort. This minimizes fatigue even when sitting for extended periods. The model also comes in an easy fold, a lightweight design. This makes it easy to carry and store. We also love the high-capacity battery, which ensures optimal performance and longer runtime. At number 3. BEYOUR Walker Electric Wheelchair. With an emphasis on convenience and portability, BEYOUR Walker Electric Wheelchair is easy to fold and lightweight. Despite weighing a mere 47 pounds, this power wheelchair can still support a weight of up to 300 pounds. Another exclusive feature is the manual and electrical operation, meaning that you will never be stuck when it runs out of power. When it comes to the battery, this unit boasts a high-quality lithium battery with a decent 9.32-mile range. It also features a 2300W brushless motor and an intelligent braking system, making the chair super easy to control. What's more, this unit comes with large driver's wheels with shock absorbers to ensure a smooth ride. At number 2. Chromex Powerful Electric Wheelchair. Just as its name suggests, Chromex electric wheelchair is a workhorse for both indoor and outdoor trips. This model boasts of a high-capacity battery that delivers a runtime of up to 12 miles. Even better, this model comes in a lightweight yet sturdy construction that ensures optimal performance on all terrains. Speaking of above-average performance, this unit comes with innovative wheels that ensure a smooth ride on all terrains. The model also comes with a durable seatbelt that ensures both your comfort and safety. We also love the foldable mechanism that enables you to fold or unfold in seconds. Similarly, this unit comes with an innovative control joystick that ensures super easy control. At number 1. Majestic BUVAN Power Wheelchair. Disability and old age can impede your mobility. However, do not let these conditions keep you away from what you love doing. The Majestic BUVAN electric wheelchair is designed to bring back your independence. For starters, this model weighs a mere 43 pounds. It also comes in a foldable design, making it easy to bring wherever your adventure takes you. The unit also boasts shock-absorbing wheels that ensure a comfortable ride on all terrains. For added comfort, the seat also comes with an adjustable backrest. It also has a high-capacity battery that offers a driving distance of up to 10 miles. Moreover, the updated model also comes with remote control and a 360-degree universal joystick. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.